Hello class, in this video I will be discussing lesson 4 of module 2, which is related to integration of powers of tangents and seconds. Okay, so let's start. What are we going to do here is to integrate types of integrals like this: tangent raised to mv, secant, and v dx. Okay, so meron tayong how many cases? We have 3 cases. Yeah. So the first case is when m is any number and n is a positive even integer greater than 2. Okay? So sabi dito, basta yung m mo ay any number yan is either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any number. Basta ito is positive even na greater than 2. Okay? Pasok dito sa case 1. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dyan is, so isusulat mo siya as tangent raised to mv secant n minus 2v secant squared v, and then use this property. Okay? Itong secant squared v is equals to 1 tangent squared v. Okay, so let's apply case 1 by solving this example. Ayan. Sabi niya, m is any number and 4 should be an even number which is greater than 2. Okay, so isulat natin siya. Sabi niya, tangent cube x secant 4x dx. Okay, so hayaan lang natin si tangent x dyan. Ito, kailangan n minus 2. So, 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. And then, ilabas natin si secant squared x dx. Yan. Okay. So, dapat laging nakalabas yung secant squared. And anything na matira dito is gagamitan natin ng property na secant squared x is equals to 1 plus tangent squared x. Yan. So, let's substitute. So, ito magiging 1 plus tangent squared x secant squared x dx. Yan. So, pwede na natin siyang i-distribute. Ang mangyari dyan is tangent cube x secant squared x dx plus tangent magiging 3 and 2, so 5. 5x secant squared x dx. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, pwede na siya yung substitution natin. Ang u natin is magiging tangent x. Diba ang derivative ng tangent x is secant squared x dx? Tama ba? So, power formula na yan. So, anong mangyayari? Magiging u raised to 3 then du. So, dito, ganun din. Tangent din yung u niya. So, anong mangyari dito? Plus u raised to 5. Okay? Du. So, pag in-apply natin yung power formula, magiging u 3 plus 1 is 4 over n plus 1 is 4 plus u 5 plus 1 is 6 over 6 plus c. Then our final answer should be tangent 4x over 4 plus tangent raised to 6 x over 6 plus c. So, pwede na itong final answer or you can simplify further. So, ganyan si case 1. Okay? Next, punta naman tayo sa case 2. Sa case 2 naman, when m is a positive add and n is any number. So, ang titignan mo naman dito is yung power ng tangent. Positive add siya dapat. Okay? Kapag ganyan ang mangyayari, ang gagawin natin is tangent m minus 1v secant n minus 1v, then ilabas natin si secant v tan v. Yung inalis natin dito, ilalabas lang natin. Then, we should use this tangent squared v is equals to secant squared v minus 1. So, to apply that, let's solve let's solve example number 2. So, sabi dito sa case 2, kailangan odd si power ng tangent. So, add siya, and then second, kahit yung n niya is any number, okay lang yan. Basta add si tangent. So, tangent cube x secant 5x dx. Ang goal natin dito ay ilabas si secant dx. Okay? So, ang mangyayari dyan, para may mailabas si secant tsaka si tan na isa, is babawasan natin to ng isa. So, magiging squared. Ito, babawasan din natin ng isa. So, magiging fourth na lang. And then, nakalabas yung inalis natin. Tangent. Pwede natin sulat na secant x tangent x dx. Okay? And then, papalitan daw natin si tangent. Tama ba? Papalitan natin si tangent ng tangent squared x equals to secant squared x minus 1. Okay? So, magiging secant squared x minus 1 times secant 4x secant x tangent x dx. And then, we can distribute. Ito magiging secant to the 6 secant to the 6x secant x tangent x dx. Basta wag nating isama yung isang secant. Ganyan. Nakalabas dapat. And then, secant 4x secant x tangent x dx. Okay? And then, anong mangyayari? Kung mapapansin nyo, pwede na siyang substitution. Ang u natin dito is secant x. And then, diba, ang du natin ng ganyan is, ang du ng secant x is secant x tan x. Okay, kung natatandaan ang derivative, dx. And then, ganun din sa second term, secant x din. So, ano mangyari? Power formula ulit. U raised to 6 du minus u raised to 4 du. So, power formula is u 7 over 7 minus u 5 over 5 plus c. Or, the final answer should be secant 7x over 7 minus secant 5x over 5 plus c. Ayan. Okay? So, that is the final answer, or you can simplify that further. Next is the third case, where m is a positive odd or even integer and n is 0. Okay? So, parang sinasabi lang dito, dapat yung power ng secant is 0. So, dapat tangent lang. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin? Tatanggalin mo yung tan m, ima-minus 2 mo. So, ihiwalay mo yung tangent squared v. And then, use this property. Okay? So, let's apply. So, for example, tangent 5x dx. So, napansin nyo, wala siyang secant kasi raised to 0 nga, which is equivalent to 1. So, ang nangyari dyan is, naging tangent 5x dx na lang siya. So, anong gagawin? Sabi, ihiwalay mo yung tangent squared. So, ang matitira dito is tangent cube x tangent squared x dx. So, pagkatapos nyan, gamitin mo yung property na tangent squared x is equals to secant squared x minus 1. So, ito magiging secant squared x minus 1 dx. And then, let's distribute. Magiging tangent cube x secant squared x dx minus tangent cube x dx. Tama ba? So, ito, pwede siyang power formula. Ito, pwede pa nating i-apply ulit yung case 3, which is, ito magiging tangent x. Basta kailangan natin ihiwalay si squared dx. And then, ano mangyayari dyan? Magiging tan x secant squared x minus 1 dx. And then, let's distribute again. Tangent x secant squared x dx. Minus minus, so magiging positive. Tangent x dx. Then, copy lang natin to. Tangent cube x secant squared x dx. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, ang u natin dito is tangent. And then, ang du natin, diba, is secant squared x dx. Tama ba? And then, ganun din dito. However, this, diba may formula to na ang integration ng tangent ay equivalent sa ln cosine x plus c. Negative ln actually. That is negative ln cosine x plus c. Okay. So, let's integrate. Ito magiging u cube du minus u du plus tangent x dx. Okay? Then, let's apply the power formula. Let's integrate. Magiging u4 over 4 minus u squared over 2 minus ln cosine x plus c. Or let's substitute pa, magiging tangent 4x over 4 minus tangent squared x over 2 minus ln cosine x plus c. So, this can be the final answer, or you can simplify it further. Okay? So, I guess okay na. So, let's proceed. This is your self-assessment questions 2.4. So, thank you for watching and God bless.